ठीक है. You all know that about number line, है ना? How we will make a number line? Like this. It starts from 0. This side positive number we are taking, and this side negative number we are taking, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this it will go. Got it? And in this side -1, -2, -3, like this it will go. है ना? We are writing a number line like this, है ना? This is called the what? Horizontal number line, है ना? In the same way, we can take like this also. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, minus. These are negative. These are positive. I am writing here. Okay. Positive I am writing in this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And we can take one side negative, one side positive. If we will join these two lines, means if we will take this line here, when both zeros will meet, meaning this point, this line will come in like this. Right? 0 is there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the same way -1, -2, -3, -1. Okay, this horizontal line is called the x-axis. X-axis, positive side we will write x-axis, and negative side of x-axis we will write x-axis. Okay, same positive side, this is called the y-axis, vertical line. Y we will denote it by y-axis, and negative side of y-axis is y-axis. This become a plane. That plane is called the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane, where x and y both axes are there, x-axis and y-axis. ठीक है? X-axis, x coordinate is called abscissa. Abscissa. X coordinate is called abscissa, and y coordinate is called ordinate. Ordinate. When both x and y coordinate we will take, that will be called coordinate. Coordinate. ठीक है? So this full line is called abscissa, and this is ordinate. When two line meets at one point, that is called the origin. That is called the origin. Okay, where two line meets at one point, that is called the origin, where x and y both are 0. 0, 0 is that point. On origin, x and y both are 0. देखो, 0 of this line and 0 of this line, they meet at one point, na, that is called the origin, in which x and y both are 0. Understand? Understand to all? Okay, look at here, we are having 4 quadrants, है ना? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Got it? Now look, this is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. Look, these two lines divide this into the four quadrants. है ना? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, understand? Now look, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Both are positive side na, है ना? Right? So in first quadrant, x and y both are positive. In first quadrant, x and y both are positive. In second quadrant, look, y is positive, x is negative na. देखो x side is negative, negative side of x axis we are taking, and positive side of y axis we are taking. So it is negative side of x axis and positive side of y axis. So our coordinate will be positive and negative and positive, means minus plus, right? In this way coordinates will come in this side. Now in third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative, both are negative, so both are negative, right? And in fourth quadrant, look at here, x is positive, y is negative. X is positive, y is negative. So in fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. In first quadrant, both are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, both are negative, and in fourth, x is positive and y is negative. These are the four quadrants that we will use in these exercises. Okay? Understand to all? Okay. Now 3.1 exercise, something activity is given to you that you will do by yourself. Nothing is there. Now we will start exercise 3.2. Okay. Example first we are doing. See, complete the following statements. Right? The abscissa and the ordinate of the point B are. Look at here. Where is the B? This point. Right? Now abscissa means x-axis point. Ordinate means y-axis point. है So abscissa x-axis and ordinate y-axis point. So abscissa point first is asking. What is abscissa point here? That is 4. Right? So this is 4. And what is ordinate point? Ordinate point is, look at here, this is 3. Right? So ordinate is 3. Hence the coordinate of B are, what will be the coordinates? 4 and 3. This is the coordinate 4 and 3. Where x coordinate is 4, y is 3. So full coordinate is 4 and 3. So point is 4 and 3. This is our coordinate of B, 4 and 3. Got it? Next, the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point M are. Now we will check M. Where is M? Here. Right? Now look. From x-axis, point is negative -3, and from y-axis, point is 4. So our coordinate is -3 and 4. The coordinate and the x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is -3 and y coordinate, look at here, that is 4. So our hence the coordinate of M are -3 and 4. Any doubt, anyone? Next, the x coordinate and the y coordinates of the point L are. Where is L? Here. L is in third quadrant. It means both are negative. Right? Now look. X coordinate is -5 and y coordinate is 4. So point is -5 and -4 because negative side of y axis it is. So point is X coordinate is -5, Y coordinate is -4. So our point is -5, -4. Understand to all? Next, the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point S are. Now where is S? Here. In S, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is -4. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is -4. Hence the coordinate of S are 3 and -4. I hope all understand this question, this example. Right. Now we will go to the next example. This. Write the coordinates of the point marked on the axis in the figure. Look at this figure. Where it has gone. Okay, I don't know where it has gone, so we will discuss exercise 3.2. Write the answer of each of the following questions. Got it? What is the name of the horizontal and the vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane means where two lines we are taking x-axis and y-axis, and where two line meets, that is the origin, right? This is the origin. So horizontal line is called the abscissa, right? And vertical line is called the ordinate. So horizontal line is called the abscissa and vertical line is called the ordinate, right? Next, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? What we will give the name to these plane formed each part? But we will give the name to the each part, this and this. These are called the quadrants. These are called the quadrants. Okay, because when we meet two lines, it divides this plane into four equal parts. Four parts, not equal, we can say that. These are called the quadrants. These are called the quadrants, right? Next, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Where these two lines intersects, whenever two lines will intersect, I told you how they will intersect, because this is horizontal and this is vertical. Both origin will meet at one point. Then these two lines meet at always on origin 0, 0. So we write the name of the point where these two lines intersect, that is called the origin, right? Because I told na, horizontal line, if we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and negative side -1, -2, -3. Same horizontal line we will write like this, है ना? 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. So they will meet at this point at origin always. Always these two lines meet at origin, right? So the name of that point where two lines intersect, that is called the origin. I think no doubt in this question, all clear to you, right? Next. Second question of this exercise, see the figure and write the following. First you have to see this figure and then you have to tell all the parts of this question, right? First one is the coordinate of B are. Where is B? Here. What are the coordinates of B? Look at here. From x-axis this is -5 and from y-axis it is 2. So this coordinate is -5 and 2, right? So coordinates of B are -5 and 2. So that is -5 and 2. Understand to all, right? Next, coordinate of C are. Where is C? I think this one. Coordinate of C, where x-axis is, x point is 5 and y point is -5. So 5 and minus 5. Point are 5 and minus 5. Right? Next, the point identified by the coordinates. Now you have to identify which point is this, minus 3 and minus 5. Check once, minus 3, where is minus 3? Minus 3 means negative side of x-axis we will take, minus 3, that is here, minus 3. And minus 5 is this. So this is the E point where x-axis is minus 3 and y-axis is minus 5, right? That is the point E. So this is E. I hope it is understand to all, right? Next one is the point identified by the coordinates 2 minus 4. Where is 2? Here. From x-axis we will take 2. From y-axis it will be from x-axis we will take 2 and from y-axis it is minus 4, right? So this is the G point where x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative, means minus 4 and 2. This is the point, that is G. Got it? G point where x is positive 2 and y is negative 4. Positive 2 and negative 4, that is the G point. So coordinate of this is the coordinate of G, right? Next, the abscissa of the point D. Only we have to tell the x coordinate of the point of D. Abscissa means x coordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. Okay. So we have to tell the abscissa of the point D. Where is D? Here. Abscissa means only x point you have to tell. What is the x point here? 6. Right? So abscissa of the point D is 6. Got it? Next, the ordinate of the point H. Where is H? Here. Ordinate means y. Y-axis term we will tell, means y term we will tell. 0 minus 3. So ordinate of this is minus 3. So ordinate of H is minus 3. Any doubt, anyone? Next, the coordinates of the point L. Where is L? Where is L? This one. Coordinates of point. Coordinate means both coordinate we have to tell x and y. Right? Coordinate of L. Look at this figure. L is here, 5. Right? So one more thing is that on x-axis y is always 0. Look at this axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only x points are there. Y is 0 on the x-axis. Right? In the same way, this is y-axis. So x is 0 on this line. Always. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. And on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Right? So, the coordinates of the point L, this is on y-axis 5, so x abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 5. So, coordinate of L is 0, 5. Okay? So, L point is 0, 5. Got it? Last point and last question of this exercise, the coordinates of the point M. Where is M? Here, right? Coordinate we have to tell. So this is on x-axis. On x-axis y is 0. Only x point will be there. So minus 3 and 0 is the coordinate of M. Minus 3 and 0 is the coordinate of M. Right? So in this way we can solve so many type of questions, whatever is given. Suppose point are given, you can draw also on the graph, and if point drawing graph is given to you, you can find the points very easily. Okay, so this is the exercise 3.2 that today we have discussed. Now it's exercise completed. So thank you very much for this. Next, tomorrow we will discuss next chapter or extra question of this chapter. Right? Understand to all? Any doubt, anyone of any question? Okay.